about to do an unboxing. I bought another wig from Amazon. It is 20 inches, ginger orange, straight, 150 density, and it's a lace front. It's a pretty cute bag it came in. Came with a thank you card. Here's a little wrinkle. Sorry, y'all. And then it came with the band, of course. A wig cap. And these pretty eyelashes. It's very pretty. You know, oops, and then it comes in this bag. A very long bag, but let me take it out. There you go. As you can see. Uh-oh. And it's pre-plucked. Pre-plucked, as you guys can see. Very soft. It's pretty. Comes with this. Very pretty. It's all, like I said, this is another wig from Amazon that I got. It's a headband. Sorry, got a wig cap on. Girl cute still. Let's see. Pretty cute. Let me just go ahead and stick these combs in so it can at least stay, y'all feel me? But look at that. This is pretty. This is cute. I like, look at that. Let me get closer for y'all. Okay. Turn it up so you guys can see. But this is cute. I love the color. I love how soft it is. Like I said, it doesn't smell at all. It is. Y'all better stop sleeping on Amazon. Look at that. I stay ordering wigs off Amazon, literally. But yeah, I like it. Y'all should give it a try. I'll be back once I install it. Not today.